Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 and I'll show you all the box accessories or with which device comes. So here in the box we got our Samsung Galaxy device and only one paper box here with the SIM jack tool, and inside of this paper box we got the USB-C cable, the black one, and the quick start guide and some papers work here. So that's it. That there are here all of the box accessories with which our device comes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.